How to remove Capcut logo permanently while editing your video. So if you want to remove the Capcut logo that always comes up at the end of your video permanently, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of every video you edited, you always see the Capcut logo here, and I want to learn how to remove this, then I'm going to walk you through how to do this. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete or remove Capcut logo permanently, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut app. Now go ahead and click on the settings app at the top right on iPhone. So on Android, it could be somewhere at the bottom right. So just go to the settings page, and once you see the settings page, locate hard default ending. So if default ending is enabled just like that, then if you open any video on your Capcut or you upload any video to the Capcut project, let's say we just open it, click on new project, then upload a video, add it. Then if you go to the very end, you're gonna see the Capcut logo just like this. Now to permanently remove or delete this Capcut logo, just go ahead and click on settings at top right, then locate hard default ending and click on it, disable it, discard ending. Under that you see keep or discard. Just go ahead and click on discard to disable it. Once you disable that, and when next you start a new project on the Capcut application, this particular default ending will not be available. So close that again, open the Capcut application, click on new project, then import your video, add it. Then if you go to the very end, discover that the Capcut logo at the end is no longer available. So that is basically how to delete or remove Capcut logo at the end of any video on your iPhone or Android permanently. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.